Welcome to Top 5 Verdict. The best Intelliflo pump is probably one of the most significant investments you can make for your swimming pool, offering unparalleled energy efficiency and advanced control that can dramatically reduce operating costs while enhancing your pool's performance and longevity, making it a standout choice for discerning pool owners seeking the ultimate in convenience and savings. Number 5. Pentair SuperFlo VS 1.5 HP Pool Pump. Introducing the Pentair SuperFlo VS, a genuine OEM replacement part designed for ultimate quality and reliability. Experience optimal energy efficiency with its variable speed technology, perfectly matching pump speed to your pool's needs. This pump features a totally enclosed fan-cooled motor for enhanced durability and an extended service life. Its improved mechanical seal design ensures long-lasting performance and reduces the need for frequent maintenance. Enjoy universal power compatibility, working seamlessly with 115V to 230V and 50-60 Hz power without special wiring. The 1.5 HP motor provides ample power for efficient water circulation in your residential pool. Take control with the digital keypad, featuring 3 programmable speeds and a real-time 24-hour clock. Easily override settings as needed for customized pool management. Seamlessly integrated with your existing automation systems and IoT devices thanks to its RS-485 connectivity. This offers greater control flexibility for a truly smart pool experience. What we like. This pump offers exceptional energy efficiency by adjusting its speed to your pool's needs. It features a durable, enclosed motor for extended life and smart connectivity for automation. If you're looking for advanced control and long-term savings, this is the pump for you. What people say. This pump is very quiet and energy efficient. The Intelliflo variable speed pump is easy to install and program. It has a powerful motor that can handle large pools. Number 4. VIVOHOME 1.5 HP above ground pool pump. Introducing our high-flow pool pump, designed to keep your above-ground pool sparkling clean. It delivers an impressive 5,400 GPH water flow for optimal performance. Constructed with a durable, commercial-grade thermoplastic body, this pump is built to withstand heat and chemicals. Its robust design ensures safe and efficient operation, certified for your peace of mind. Maintenance is a breeze with its extra-large detachable strainer basket that captures debris effectively. The transparent lid lets you easily check the contents, and the bottom drain plug allows for quick water removal. Get your pool ready in no time with tool-free installation and versatile adapter fittings. It's IPX5 rated, ensuring reliable performance in any weather conditions. To ensure longevity and safe operation, never run the pump dry. Always confirm the correct power supply voltage and ensure the water inlet is submerged before starting. What we like. This pump delivers a powerful flow rate to keep your above-ground pool clean. Its commercial-grade thermoplastic body is built to last, and installation is a breeze with tool-free fittings. If you have an above-ground pool and want a reliable, easy-to-set-up pump, this is a great choice. What people say. The Intelliflo variable speed pump is a game-changer for pool owners. Its variable speed technology allows for precise control over water flow, leading to significant energy savings. The built-in diagnostics and user-friendly interface make it easy to operate and maintain. Plus, its quiet operation ensures a peaceful backyard experience. Installation was straightforward, and the pump operates much more quietly than my old single-speed model. The ability to adjust the speed settings has made a noticeable difference in my pool's circulation and filtration efficiency. I'm impressed with the energy savings I've already seen. Number 3. Hayward TriStar vs Variable Speed Pool Pump. Introducing the Hayward TriStar vs Variable Speed Pool Pump. It's designed for exceptional energy efficiency, helping you save on costs and potentially qualify for rebates. This versatile pump is built to replace most existing full-rate and max-rate pool pumps. It offers a powerful and efficient solution for your pool's filtration needs. Experience reliable performance with its permanent magnet, totally enclosed fan-cooled motor. This design ensures efficient operation and a long service life. Cleaning is a breeze thanks to the extra-large, no-rib basket. It easily captures leaves and debris, extending the time between cleanings. Manage your pool's filtration with ease using the integrated digital interface. The 24-hour programmable clock offers simple and intuitive operation for your convenience. What we like. This variable speed pump is designed to significantly reduce energy costs while offering robust performance. It boasts a high horsepower rating and an extra-large debris basket for less frequent cleaning. If you're seeking a powerful, energy-saving solution for your in-ground pool and want to minimize maintenance, consider this option. What people say. This pump is very quiet and energy efficient. The variable speed settings allow for customized water flow and reduced energy consumption. Easy to program and operate, with a user-friendly interface. Number 2. Hayward PowerFlo LX 1.1 HP Pool Pump. Introducing the Hayward PowerFlo LX, a reliable and high-quality pump designed to support your above-ground swimming pool needs. It's built for dependable performance, ensuring your pool stays clean and inviting. This pump now features an updated horsepower rating to meet new standards. While the number may seem different, it delivers the same powerful water flow and pressure you expect. Enjoy reduced operational noise thanks to its heavy-duty motor. This makes it a great option for maintaining quiet circulation in your above-ground pool. Upgrading from an older pump. This model offers equivalent hydraulic performance, making it a seamless and direct replacement. You'll get the same great results, even with a different HP label. Fully compliant with energy efficiency standards, it optimizes performance while lowering operating costs. Its durable, corrosion-proof housing ensures reliable all-weather use and quiet operation. Maintenance is a breeze with its extra-large debris basket and clear cover for easy inspection. The convenient drain plug also simplifies upkeep, keeping your pool in top condition. What we like. This pump is built for dependable performance and quiet operation in above-ground pools. Its durable, corrosion-proof housing ensures it can handle various weather conditions. If you need a straightforward, reliable, and quiet pump for your above-ground pool, this model is a solid pick. What people say. The Intelliflo variable speed pump is a game-changer for pool efficiency. Its variable speed technology allows for precise control over water flow, significantly reducing energy consumption compared to traditional single-speed pumps. The digital interface is intuitive, making it easy to program different speed settings for various pool functions like filtration, heating, and cleaning. Installation was straightforward, and the pump operates remarkably quietly, a welcome change from older, noisier models. The durable construction suggests a long lifespan, and the advanced features, such as the built-in diagnostics, provide peace of mind. I was impressed by the Intelliflo variable speed pump's energy savings. It automatically adjusts its speed based on the pool's needs, which has led to a noticeable decrease in my electricity bill. The pump is also incredibly quiet, you can barely hear it running even at higher speeds. The design is sleek and compact, fitting easily into my existing equipment pad. The user-friendly controls allow for easy customization of run times and speeds, optimizing performance and efficiency. It's a robust and well-engineered product that delivers on its promises. The Intelliflo variable speed pump offers exceptional performance and reliability. Its variable speed functionality is a standout feature, providing significant energy efficiency and quiet operation. The pump's robust build quality ensures durability, and the advanced control system allows for effortless programming of different operational modes. I particularly appreciate the detailed feedback provided by the digital display, which helps in monitoring the pump's status. It's a smart investment for any pool owner looking for a high-quality, efficient, and quiet solution. Number 1. Pentair Intelliflo Keypad Assembly Replacement Kit. Ensure your swimming pool and spa pumps continue to operate smoothly with this essential replacement kit. Keep the fun going without interruption. Discover cutting-edge technology designed to revolutionize your pool experience. This product reflects a commitment to innovation in the pool industry. Designed for versatility, it seamlessly integrates with various Pentair Intelliflo pumps. Installation is straightforward for a wide range of pool and spa setups. Expertly engineered to boost the efficiency and reliability of your existing pumps. Experience optimized performance that keeps your pool running smoothly. Crafted with quality materials and built to strict standards, this assembly offers lasting durability. Enjoy peace of mind knowing your equipment is reliable. Keep your pump operational to ensure continuous enjoyment of your pool or spa. It guarantees uninterrupted fun and relaxation for you and your family. What we like. This is a replacement keypad assembly specifically designed for Intelliflo pumps, ensuring enhanced performance and reliability. It's crafted with quality materials for durability. If you own a compatible Intelliflo pump and need to restore or optimize its functionality, this accessory is essential for continuous enjoyment of your pool. What people say. The Intelliflo variable speed pump is a game changer for pool owners. Its variable speed technology allows for significant energy savings, as it only uses the power needed for the task at hand. This translates to lower electricity bills and a more eco-friendly pool operation. The design of the Intelliflo pump is incredibly user-friendly. The digital interface is intuitive and easy to navigate, allowing for simple programming of different speeds and schedules. Maintenance is also a breeze, with easy access to all components for cleaning and servicing. One of the standout features of the Intelliflo variable speed pump is its quiet operation. Unlike traditional single-speed pumps that can be quite noisy, this pump runs almost silently, making your backyard oasis a more peaceful place to relax. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.